Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be another craft with me video. We're going to be making some Pasteloween Memorydex cards, and I have all my setup here. And you guys, I'm so excited about this craft with me because I'm working with a new collection, and this collection I'm going to have a link down below. Her name is Luisa. She has, I think it's, let me see, her name is Kitty Scrap Post on Instagram. I'm gonna link her down below. Go check out her kit, you guys. It's super cute. It has unicorn, like witches, catacorns, bunch of bat bows. Look how cute, you guys. Look at this paper. She's got paper, planning supplies. Look at the little bat bows. You can fussy cut these out. The little coffins with the little skull heads with bows. Candy paper. Look at the little catacorn. And the unicorn with a witch hat. I love this. So cute. And as you can see here, I have a bunch of ephemera pieces that I have cut from her collection. See, she's got like the little planners. Look at the little witch, you guys. So cute. The bat. Look at the planner. So if you're a planner girl, this is perfect for you. Look at the little witch house, the haunted house. This is not part of that. The little coffee cup. She's got the little witch broom. Look at this. Such a cute collection. A lot of you guys are asking me where to find Pasteloween collections. I'm trying to get my hands on a bunch to see that I can show you guys different options. Look at this. So cute. So we're going to be crafting with this collection. Make sure to check out the link down below and go check her out and go give her a follow and tell her that I sent you. And let's get on with these Memorydex cards. Now I've already made the cards and I want to show you guys what they look like. So I'm using acetate, and I put in a mix that I had in my stash, which was this one right here. I don't know where this, not this one. This is not the one I used. It was this one. I had found this mix, I think from last year. They gave it to me in some Happy Mail. So I put that in here, and I added some of the little mini catacorns and unicorns from her collection. And then this one just has the, let me take the strings off, just the little pieces of the sequins. So these are made with acetate, and I'll have that link down below as well where I get my acetate. And we're going to be decorating these, so I'm going to put, I think this one is the one that goes over here, and then this one is the one we're going to be decorating right here. We're going to be making two. So I have all my pieces set up. All I have to do is basically glue everything down. And if you guys want to know where or what dye I used, I'm using the Heidi Swap Memorydex dyes. And yeah, let's build this bad boy. Oh, also what I wanted to show you guys is that I stitched on a bunch of my pieces. I just like the look of it. I stitched on the chipboard and a bunch of the ephemera pieces and the pieces that I'm going to be using, because I feel like not only does it give more weight to the ephemera piece, but it gives more of a, like a cuter look, more detail to your card. So I like to make these little kind of like accordion style just for height on my card. So I keep saying so. Let me grab my ATG. I have thread all over because I was sewing. Okay, I found I saw a video of Out of the Paper Treasury doing her Memorydex cards, and I saw the trees that she was using, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have that in my stash. I'm so gonna take it out. So Ada, thank you for reminding me, because we tend to forget what we have in our stash. And let me see how so we're gonna add some adhesive to put this down right in the back. Just add some texture. I need to get my foam tape. I have been having so much fun making all these projects and just seeing the reaction that you guys have. It makes me excited when you guys get excited, so it makes me want to continue. It motivates me. And I like that. So we're gonna add and prop up the house on some foam. Just gives it a little bit of a dimensional look, as you guys can see. And what else was I feel like I forgot. No, I know what I'm doing here. Is this one? I had the little, oh, the tree. That's right, the tree's gonna go here. So let me add some hot glue. I knew there was a little piece there that I was gonna put that's missing. So we're gonna put our tree, oops, our tree right over here. Okay. And then the little spider, not the spider, where's the little web? The web is gonna go in the center, and I think I'm gonna prop it up on foam. And we're gonna put it right here, because then our layer is going right there. So I'm going to, maybe I should add some foam to this one. Am I in frame? No, I'm not, but I'm just adding some foam tape to this, and then I'm gonna add some extra hot glue so it doesn't move. And we're gonna lay this down right here. And that is basically just to give us a little bit of a platform. You guys see that? To add excuse me, more on top. So I cut this little piece of vellum and I stitched on it because that's what I want on top. So we're gonna add that on top. See, you guys, it's easier when I prep like off camera and then just build it with you guys. So I'm gonna do this little spider web and put that right in the center. So it's just building up your layers, you guys. Because my little vampire girl is gonna go right here. And I need to get, she's got these cute little like spider bows that I wanna put and a little pumpkin maybe behind her, or I feel like I'll be hiding the, I could put the little pumpkin there. I think that'll look cute. Once you have your idea of what you want it to look like, you can start adding more little bits and pieces. I think I'm gonna add this little piece of candy right here, or maybe this way, and then she'll be right there. Yep, I like that. So we're gonna add the little piece of candy right here, and then I'm gonna prop her up on foam. To give her some more height and dimension, kind of like a 3D effect. Look, you guys, look at all these layers that we've already built up. You guys see that? I love how it looks. Okay, I want to add one of these little bows. I've been enjoying these little bows and adding them to these Pastel Halloween projects. I'm gonna do that, and now we gotta add just some enamel dots. I want to add a little bat. I have a little bat here, so we're gonna add the little bat to the house. Cute. And then a little googly eye, I'm gonna add it to the bottom. I love using the little googly eyes as enamel dots. I think that's such a good idea. And then we can put one of these little poking through here, or where can I put this? Just a little bling. Peeking through right here. I feel like I'm missing something, almost like I want like a little, so he might be too big. Maybe not. What do you guys think? I think I should add the ghost, or should I? Maybe a smaller ghost. If I had like a smaller ghost, I might end up adding a ghost if I find one later on. But look, you guys, super layered, super textured. I love the way it turned out. So cute. You guys, you know what? I think I wanted to put, maybe I should, let me take this little part off. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I did end up finishing it up. As you can see, this is what the finished product looks like. I did build the other one as well, because you guys, I just get all mumbo jumbled when I'm trying to build it with you guys. But since I showed you what I'm using, I figured I just put it together and come back on and show you what I did. So I did add a little glittery pumpkin. I added a little pearlescent little gemmy, the bow to her hair, and then I added this boo. I have this wooden veneer that says boo, and just to give it more height, as you can see, and add that pop of pink. I felt like there was too much purple going on. And then there's like a cute little sign that says boo, and you see all the layers, you guys. Look at that. I love the way it turned out. And let me show you guys this one. And this one just has like a little coffin, a little spider chipboard, the little unicorn witch, a little broom that I made. I put a little gemmy on the spider. I had this wood veneer that says pumpkins. The layers are all built up here as well. These are a bunch of like spider bows that I kind of just laid flat there. And yeah, you guys, that's what the back looks like with the little shaker bits. And the back of this one is like that. And yeah, these are my Pastel Memorydex cards using the new collection that I'm going to link down below. Go check her out. This is super cute. I'm gonna make, I think, a bunch more. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye guys.